Hey guys, don't mind the background. And so this is choco pie, but black sugar milk tea flavored. And it says happy moments, so let's try it.
Hi guys, I'm Jenner's mom.
So this is how it looks. I'm gonna show them how it looks, Mom. So this is how it looks at first.
Wow.
Look at that.
Do you like it? I like it too.
Kind of it just tastes like the real version. Probably. This is what adds the flavor. This thing, the brown thing.
Can I have one more?
There's a whole box. $20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18, 19, 20. Thank you. Thank you, and you're welcome. Because someone bought it for you.
I figured out what gives it the flavor. The marshmallow, it's on the marshmallow.
Oh, it's the milk tea.
Yes.
Black milk tea. Oh, yeah.
Kind of looks like this. See?
I mean, at least you know what gives it a flavor, right?
And the way it smells actually smells like the black tea.
What's that?
I loved it. Thank goodness we have dogs at our area, because it's like a signal that we can like lock our doors in case a bad guy comes, or like a
But did you
thief.
see that guy on the wheelchair?
Yeah? You saw him again?
No, I heard the story that he came.
What is it for?
And he's asking for a guy with the long hair.
Probably he got lost over here.
No, he's like, I'm looking for a guy that lives here with the long hair.
Probably it's our neighbors, right? What if he's a kidnapper?
No, but he's not Chucky's.
He's like Filipino or something. I saw him talk. He was like, ah, la, la, la.
Right, who?
On the phone, he was like speaking Philippines.
Oh. What did I get again? No big.
The top song that I love is a bar song. Where's the remote? I want to show them this song.
No, you cannot.
Why?
It's gonna copyright it. That's not your song, that's why.
Okay, I cannot. But you guys search it up. It's called a bar song.
It's not even a kid song, January.
I know. But if you're a kid, don't. I said, but if you're a kid, don't.
Okay, and you are?
An adult. One time I won bingo, then I lost all my money because of the blackout.
You won only one time.
No, like
You won
almost 3 times, but they didn't give me my money because sometimes I play for free. Because Mama says, it's okay, you don't have to pay. You can play for free because I'm still a kid. They were like, oh wow, January won. And I got $24.
And did you know that you won? Or someone has to tell you?
I won because Dayboy's mom said if you just get a 15, you get a bingo. And then 15 called, and I was like, ah! And then she said, bingo.
But you know how to play bingo now?
I think it was a 15 though.
I've never played bingo. I mean, I did, but only blackout.
Just blackout?
Yeah. I don't know the other bingo name.
There's one called a bingo, blackout, like 5 in a row, or like, yeah, something like that.
And what do they call the numbers? Sometimes they name the numbers, right?
No, they keep saying B10, B8, something like that. I played bingo once in school.
Oh yeah. Bingo night?
No,
Bingo night, no?
it's bingo morning.
Oh.
It was like when we finished lunch or snack. And we got to play on a trampoline at school.
Trampoline?
My favorite day was pajama day. And what is it called? What is it called?
Perita.
Not this thing.
Perita.
It's like, where's my yearbook, Mom? Ah, pew, pew, pew.
Perita.
Ah, pew, pew, pew. Ah, pew, pew, pew. Ah, pew.
So you rather try this rather than
Mr. Beast chocolate?
banana one? Banana flavor?
Yeah, I don't like banana. Your eyes, why is it like that?
Like that.
Looks like there's like snakes inside or something.
Oh,
Looks like the pretty ones in like the YouTube thing.
So I have pretty eyes?
No.
You're jealous.
No, just like,
The veins?
yeah, the veins. I don't have.
You have.
No.
Everyone has veins in
I
their
don't even have. I tried it and I don't have.
Jenner, I'm looking at you.
Oh.
If you don't have, then you're blind.
And so I'm gonna tell you guys a joke. So one time these ladies told like their a guy to go get the chicken from the store, and then because they were going to work so they couldn't, but they also just came like from Choco, and so he went to go to the store, and then he forgot what it was called, and like not like, but he couldn't find the chicken, and then he said he saw the eggs, and he was like, he got the eggs, and then he went to like the register. He was like, where is the mother? To say, where is the chicken?
Oh my goodness, Jenny. I've been looking everywhere for my cone, my leftover cone. And when I removed my plates, it was underneath.
I thought I threw it in the trash.
No, that's the other one. Ay, ay, ay.
Okay, I'm trying to think of my joke.
What joke?
Oh, what do you call... Okay, this is a quiz. I have 2 arms, 1 head, and 1 leg. What am I? Comment down below. And you cannot search Google or like tell Alexa what it is, because that considers cheating. Nothing. And pause the video if you need more time. So it is a cross, because I said I have 2 arms, 1 head, 1 leg. So bye guys.